Hi guys, Paul from Muscle Car and Pilgrim Motorsports here. Just got to show you this 1967 Ford Classic Mustang. Beautiful car, as you can see, in spectacular blue, and I don't know if you can notice that it's got an offset colour which runs throughout the car. So the contrast goes into the seats, which are the original spec seats, which has the light blue and the dark blue, which really sets the car off beautifully. It's also got a flash down the side, which I'll show you a bit later. But 302 engine, with all the extras on this car. This really is something quite special. We've only just got this in, so it's still going through a little bit of prep, but literally you can see here we've got aluminium heads, we've got a performance cam in there, we've got the MSD ignition system, we've also fitted the Sniper EFI fuel injection system, and that really is incredible. It helps the car in speed obviously, but also helps it with starting in the mornings and the hot starts and things like that. You haven't got to worry. It literally learns how you drive and then adjust itself to your driving style. We've still got a couple of things we need to do. There's a couple of pipes that we need to upgrade on here, but we just thought we'd show you this car because it really has got a massive specification. It ticks all the boxes. Power disc brakes, and as we walk around we can see on the American racing wheels, you can see these beautiful chrome style wheels when they've got the discs behind it. BF Goodrich Radial tyres, which gives it a fabulous stance. You can see the car sits really well. All the chrome's been renewed, all the interior's been done. This car's fitted with air conditioning. It's vintage air, but it's quality air conditioning. It's like modern air conditioning. But you can see there, you can also see it's got centre console, which is quite rare for these cars. Original centre console, original dashboard, original style radio, but it has another radio in the glove box that's a little bit more modern. But as you can see, all the contrast from the seats to the centre console to the dashboard to the underdash all has this theme of this two blues running through it. So really is a stunning car. There's the flash on the side. If you can see that flash with a hint of it on the bonnet. So you can see it running and fading off across there. Fabulous bodywork on the car. But I think it's time to get in it, take it for a run and see what it goes like. I'm looking forward to this with the fuel injection. We fitted it all, so we know it goes well, but come and see what it's like. Hi, here we are in the 67 blue Mustang that you've seen, which is in mid-blue colour with the slashes down the side in a lighter colour. The contrast completely with the interior. But this car is a beautiful car to be in, but also a fabulous car with lots of specification. Every box that needed to be ticked has been ticked. We've upgraded this car with a Sniper kit, so it's got the modern fuel injection system in it, which really does give you fantastic throttle response and power. It really does go. It hits to that injection system and you're off. Power disc brakes, so you've got something you can stop you with, which is great as well. Power steering, automatic, air conditioning, modern air conditioning, so it keeps you nice and cool. And it's just beautiful. You sit here looking over the dashboard and you can see you've got the trafficators on your inserted into your bonnet scoop, so it looks absolutely amazing. Original cockpit, original gauges, the whole car looks absolutely stunning, and it really is a pleasure to drive and very fast. This is a beast, I have no